As your healthcare organization expands or upgrades their interoperability strategy, it might take weeks for the developer to go through their backlog of interfaces to create a new connection. Your technical resources spend a lot of their time doing simple, less complex interfaces that might not need the full skill set of a Cloverleaf developer, but you don't want to risk unexpected configuration changes with a less technical user. The Infor Cloverleaf Wizard is a new, browser-based drag-and-drop experience that now enables less technical users, such as business analysts, to quickly and easily build Cloverleaf interfaces while retaining Cloverleaf's power and scalability. The Infor Cloverleaf Wizard walks the user through a GUI-based workflow to create an interface from scratch or use existing templates to get them started. The Infor Cloverleaf Wizard has options that let users fully complete simple interfaces and partially build complex interfaces. A Cloverleaf expert can assist Infor Cloverleaf Wizard users in the remaining interface development using advanced options in the IDE. The Infor Cloverleaf Wizard allows users to create and maintain simple interfaces, update and edit lookup tables, or create HL7 variants using the GUI-based variant builder. The Infor Cloverleaf Wizard is designed to make Cloverleaf easy to use and maintain by users who are not as skilled in healthcare IT and remove the burden of interface maintenance and updating from your more valuable skilled resources. The user interface for the Infor Cloverleaf Wizard is accessed in a browser using the Cloverleaf API. Infor Cloverleaf Wizard projects are created, which can contain artifacts such as systems or Cloverleaf threads, data formats, routing rules, or lookup tables. Completed Cloverleaf boxes can be downloaded to the Infor Cloverleaf Wizard or deployed using the standard Cloverleaf box features. A project can be created, edited, or deleted in the Infor Cloverleaf Wizard configuration. To create a new project, you can use a previously configured box or create a new project from scratch. A Cloverleaf thread is referred to as a system in the Infor Cloverleaf Wizard. You can configure inbound and outbound systems as well as test the connections to ensure the thread is configured properly. Selecting a system will highlight the routes to and from the system so the user can easily see the data flow and ensure that the correct connections have been built. Creating a new system is accomplished in the System Wizard, which walks the user through a step-by-step process to select the correct protocol and configurations. Simple protocols such as TCP/IP connections, web services, local files, or FTP connections are supported within the wizard. Depending on the protocol that the user has selected, the configuration options for that particular protocol are presented. The final step in creating the system is to confirm that the information has been entered correctly. After the systems have been created and tested, the user can open the Route Wizard to create a connection between these two systems. The user can configure basic filtering, such as by transaction ID, or create a static route with no filtering. The user will select the correct target system by either scrolling through the list or searching for the specific system. Detailed components, such as translations, are created by the developer in the Cloverleaf IDE and accessible by the wizard user to assemble these simple interfaces. Alternatively, the user may choose to skip the translation step and pass the message raw. The final step of the Route Wizard is to test the route by either copying a source message or uploading a source file. After confirming that the route and selected translation has no errors, the new route will be created and the user can continue to create more systems or routes as required. The Infor Cloverleaf Wizard also supports global variables, which are string name-value pairs used to define some commonly used or environment-related values for a site. These global variables can be created, updated, and maintained by a wizard user. Lookup tables can also be edited and maintained in the Infor Cloverleaf Wizard. Finally, with the HL7 variant builder, the wizard user can input sample variant messages to begin creating a variant and add additional information, configuration changes, or edits to the variant as needed. These variants can be used in translations by the developer without the developer having to take time away from their work to create or update the new variants. With the Infor Cloverleaf Wizard, you can more effectively utilize your technical resources for complex configurations while assigning less technical resources to simple interfaces or maintaining various Cloverleaf components. With the controlled environment of the Infor Cloverleaf Wizard, your developers won't worry about unexpected configuration changes, so they can spend their time working on interfaces that require a more skilled resource. Better utilization of your developers means that new systems and interfaces will be built quicker, which will improve the interoperability of your healthcare organization and positively affect patient care. For more information about Infor Cloverleaf, be sure to check out our other videos or go to inforcloverleaf.com.